Synergy Jeep Gladiator JT rear track bar relocation bracket for the 2020 and up Jeep Gladiator. With the vehicle still sitting on the ground, use a 21mm socket to loosen and remove the rear track bar bolt at the axle end. Make sure to keep the OEM track bar bolt and nut as it will be reused later. Installation does not need to be completed on a lift or the rear tires need to be removed. We did so in order for clarity and it gives us more room to work. Slip the Synergy JT rear track bar relocation bracket over the top of the rear axle track bar mount. Make sure the bracket sits down far enough to line up the lower track bar bolt hole in the bracket with the OEM track bar bolt hole. Install the supplied track bar spacer in the OEM track bar location. Insert the 9/16 by 3.5 inch long bolt with washer through the lower bolt hole in the relocation bracket. Use the 9/16 top lock nut on the other side with a washer. Do not tighten yet. Push the U-bolt up from the bottom, around the axle tube and into the two holes on the axle tube mount. Put a 3/8 washer on each threaded end and a 3/8 nylock nut. Go ahead and hand tighten these for now. You will need to drill the 1/2 inch hole in the bracket that is located on the driver's side of the track bar bracket. It's recommended to use a transfer punch to locate the center of the hole. Remove the Synergy track bar relocation bracket and pilot drill and then fully drill the 1/2 inch hole. Depending on the type of drill you're using, it may be easier if you remove the sway bar out of the way. Do so by removing the upper sway bar end links and rotating the assembly out of the way. Drill the hole that you marked on the track bar mount to 1/2 inch. Reinstall the Synergy relocation bracket over the OEM track bar mount with the track bar spacer and loosely install the 9/16 by 3.5 inch bolt, washer, and nut. Reinstall the U-bolt around the axle tube and through the bracket and reinstall the 3/8 nylock and washers. Insert the 1/2 inch by 1 inch bolt with a 1/2 inch washer through the relocation bracket in the hole you just drilled. Thread a 1/2 inch 13 top lock nut and washer on the back side. Start by torquing the 3/8 U-bolt nuts to 30 foot-pounds. Do not over-tighten the U-bolt nuts. Torque the 9/16 track bar bolt to 150 foot-pounds, and then the 1/2 inch bolt to 90 foot-pounds. Install the factory track bar into the new Synergy track bar relocation bracket. Reuse the factory nut and bolt that you removed in step 1. Torque the track bar bolt to 150 foot-pounds on both the axle side and the frame side. Note, this bracket was designed to be used with the factory track bar, but it can also be used with the Synergy adjustable rear track bar as well. By using the Synergy adjustable rear track bar, you can center the axle depending on your lift height. If you're using the Synergy adjustable rear track bar, the track bar bolt specs are the same, 150 foot-pounds per each. The pinch bolts, on the other hand, are rated to 90 foot-pounds maximum. We recommend starting at 60 foot-pounds. If you remove the rear sway bar end links, you can now reinstall them. If you remove the rear tires, reinstall them now. Lower the vehicle back to the ground and torque the factory lug nuts to the factory specifications. Installation is complete. For more information on this product or other Synergy products, visit us at synergymfg.com.